Welcome to BI Knowledge Point. Today I am here to explain you if else syntax in Python. Let's begin. So this is the simple program I have written. Num is equal to 3 if num greater than 0, print num is positive. So I'm just going to run this program and I got the number is positive 3. Instead of 3, if I'm going to write 9 and check the same and same thing I got. But here what is there, every time I have to manually go and change that one num. So instead of that, this time I'm going to ask input. So I'm just going to write another program which here num is equal to input, enter a number. So when I will run this program, it will ask some number, then num int num, if num divided by 0 2, then even, else number is odd. So I'm just going to execute this program. Now it is asking input, so I am going to write here 5. See, now I got number is odd. Okay, so again I am just going to run this program, run, and this time I am going to write here 6 and then run. So this time I got number is even. In the similar kind, you can write down nested if else also with providing the loop condition. So that's all for today video. Catch you in the next video. Please like and subscribe my channel.